Do not cry if you don't know how to type quickly on the computer keyboard. It's here now. Let's get a bit serious, please. In this lesson, we are going to specifically practice typing the T key. The only trick to achieving finger agility and later on typing speed is simply to press each key with determination, with confidence, without hesitation. And that's why we should always practice finger movements before starting the exercise. Hey, it's okay! Can we all calm down and stop the tears? That's enough! Are you enjoying the course? Buy me a coffee. Just follow the instructions that you will find in the description of the video or in the lesson. Thanks for your support. This video is a lesson from the Interdidactica.com typing course. You can register for free to record the results of your exercises, or you can also do them on your own. It's available in other languages and on different keyboards. If you're watching it on YouTube, you have the links to sign up, to start the course on your own, and to do this exercise in the description. And don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and leave your questions and comments below. Enjoy learning!